Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how can you use Seagate 2TB external hard drive. To use your Seagate 2TB external hard drive, you have to connect it to your computer using the USB cable. Plug in the USB cable into both the hard drive and your computer's USB port. After which, in most cases, the drive will appear as a new drive in a file explorer. On this PC, you could then drag and drop the file or use copy paste to transfer the data. Open up your file explorer and here you could find the particular drive, or it's going to be located in this PC. You could go ahead and locate it right over here. Similarly, if you are using a Mac version or Mac, you might need to reformat the drive to compatible format like exFAT for both Mac and Windows compatibility. After which, you simply want to go ahead and locate it and do the same thing, that is drag and then drop it. In this way, you'll be able to use Seagate 2TB external hard drive. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.